Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is XA King 100 again on another gold analysis for you. Right, gold analysis for tomorrow, candlesticks analysis approach only. We want to quickly, before we start the top down analysis, we want to quickly address a few things that happened when I analyzed gold um, for uh, yesterday, right? So now we were expecting a bullish candle for this month, right? For this month, based on the pattern that is drawn over here. However, price decided not to use this candle to the upside. Price decided to use this candle to the downside. Now, this is where the monthly time frame is very, very much important in top down analysis, right? It is very, very much important because it has to show you what it wants to do before you can carry it to the lower time frames to analyze. That way you will know what to do. If you want to use candlesticks analysis approach only, it is very, very important. And you are not also allowed to assume, you get it. So if you assume, you are a gambler. I repeat, if you are using assumptions, you are a gambler. Based on this pattern, you know what you were supposed to do. You were supposed to look for bullish price action. Now, that's just by the way. Based on no assumption analysis yesterday, we settled for a bullish price action. And that is it. You must not feel any regret for it because you are about to become a sniper. You get it? I'm using candlesticks analysis approach only because it is the lowest level of analysis, right? It is the lowest level of analysis. I don't want to go advanced. So, based on that, with no assumption, you are not supposed to feel any regret because at the point of analysis, you are not allowed to use assumption, right? So what candlesticks are printed for you is what you are going to use. It's as simple as that. You are going to use it to interpret and then make decisions, and you are not allowed to assume. So if you are assuming, that means the market can do anything with you. The market can do anything with you. So that's just by the way. I don't want to start teaching forex trading now. I'm just going to stick with analysis, candlesticks analysis approach only, and we use it. So now, price has clearly given us top down analysis. I've already started. So on the monthly time frame, price has already given us a clear indication of what it wants to do now. It has shown us its hand that it is heading the bearish side. You get it? Now it has shown us its hand. So we are fully bearish on the monthly time frame, right? On gold, right? So based on that, you see, there were so many unfinished business here around here. If you are using other principles, you get it. If you are using other principles, especially when you are using advanced eyes to analyze, you are going to know that there's so many unfinished business that it has to come back to do, right? Price has to come back to do. So now it has shown us its clear hand today during New York session. So at the point of entry, at the point of analysis yesterday, which is our analysis time or the time I analyzed for market open, we settled for bullish price action. And if you took a trade yesterday, you know that you were in profit up until New York session, right? So you if you are a trader, you should have the necessary guard to protect your capital. So if you you have three options: to close the trade because you are satisfied with the profits you are seeing, to set your break even, and also to close the trade at random. You get it? Losses are not allowed. Listen, so your stop loss must not be hit. It should be hit at break even. That is it. So now let's continue. So we are bearish on the monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame as well. Now it is showing us the bearish intention, right? The right cheat code is supposed to use here, it did not use it. It used its backup cheat code, right? And it's heading down, meaning the bearish price action is so imminent. I said imminent. It's so imminent, or it wants to happen fast. Like it is so urgent. So that's how come you saw that what price decided not to use its right cheat code, right? So it's heading down, and on the weekly time frame, the other time when I analyzed, I said the pattern over here, there's an inverse hammer at the top of this small bullish trend. So for that matter, we are heading, this is a bearish pattern, so we are supposed to go down. However, in our thoughts for the pattern on the monthly time frame, we were expecting bullish price action. So we decided that price will have to use this candle to go up. But now that it has shown us that it wants to go bearish, we are fully bearish. No assumption. You get it? No assumption. We did not assume on the monthly time frame, and then we did not also assume on the weekly time frame. It's as simple as that. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, what do we have over here? A nice bearish engulfing candle, right? We are not looking for any advanced kind of understanding over here. We are dealing with candlesticks. No assumptions. So whether you know of fair value gaps, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, invest, whatever, it is not needed over here. It is candlesticks. So here on this bearish engulfing candle, it is a sign for total bearishness. So we will now look for a way to go bearish. Now there are cheat codes for this, but the one that is very much permissible based on a few things is also very clear. So now we have just 8 minutes more for market to open, right? So on the H4 time frame as well, fully bearish, right? We are fully bearish on the H4 time frame as well, looking at the pattern that is drawn for us. So yeah, my judgment for tomorrow on gold is that we will have to go to the downside. We will have to be bearish tomorrow, whether anybody likes it or not. It is going to be a bearish candle draw for us, and that is that. Now, as to whether to go for instant execution, well, you will have to wait a little, right, to account for a few things before you make entry. You have to wait a little. If you know the cheat code for this as a sniper, you can use it and make profit for yourself. Tomorrow is a bearish candle because everything is now clear. We are no longer assuming that, we are no longer saying like, oh, now, it all depends on what the monthly time frame wants to do, as if we don't know what the monthly time frame wants to actually do. We now know what it wants to do. It wants to be bearish, so we are heading the bearish side tomorrow. This is XA King 100 again, the gold god, signing out. Peace out. See you in another video.